Incremental greetings. Today I have a quick tip that might be useful, especially if you're in a session or in a mood that you want to organize your knowledge tree and you have a ton. So let's say, I have my dummy concept hook. Could be to do imports or the root. And you know what? Now I will go through this and I will be setting the concepts. Yeah, that will be cognition, that will be health, and so on. And I realized one detail that make it a lot easier to do. Look at the perceived control. There's some hierarchy because I did some extract. Okay. So if I press Ctrl-Shift-P, and now I change the concept to, let's say, cognition, I accept. Now it went to cognition. But hey, it's still collapsed. It's highlighted, but it's collapsed. Now, if I do typeface, I expand it, and I will change the concept here. I know it's not cognition, but for the sake of the example, I press OK. It goes to cognition without uncollapsing. What happens if I do it like this? I do drag and drop. Drag and drop actually created this. The drag and drop actually uncollapsed the branch. Let me collapse it again. Then I do it, mouth breathing, for instance. That will be in health. I have this, all of that. Okay. So I will move it while it's collapsed. So I will put it into health. It didn't open. It didn't expand at the health. Is this fine detail? Because sometimes, you know what, I will go through this, all of that. So one by one, and drag and drop. This is health. This is business. And once I'm over, then I will just open this to the browser and set the concept in bulk. This is a lot quicker to do. 1,000 conversions. Okay. It's a lot quicker to do because I don't have to do Ctrl-Shift-P every single time. And in case there are children, the children are not affected. They will have my root concept. So that's the golden nugget of this video, that if you have sometimes the hierarchy, do the uncollapsed. So you can do drag and drop. That is cognition, bam. Glossary of this, that is humanities, bam. Magic illusion. That is humanities. Do you see it? And then do artificial intelligence. Let me have this. This will be, let's put it in science. Bam. Now what is this? I have to scroll. Let me close this. And perhaps they have a lot of children like that. It's, oh shoot. Now even if it collapses what I have moved, I have to go through all of the children here. It's a pain. So, just move collapsed elements. It will be a lot easier. Nothing more to add today, and see you incrementally.